Hi aspirant, welcome to CreativEdge, India's leading platform for design and architecture entrance exam preparation. In this brief video, we will learn more about the Masterclass on CreativEdge. Masterclass are fast-paced crash course batches on CreativEdge for creative entrance exam preparation. We recommend these batches for students looking to prepare in a fast-paced format. This is also for students who are looking to give their preparation a final touch. These batches are exhaustive batches covering all the aspects of entrance exam preparation in a very limited number of days. These batches are generally of 21 days, 11 days and 7 days. The biggest feature of this batch are live interactive classes with two-way communication. You can also access the recorded videos of the past classes. All the other learning tools are also included in this batch. You get e-study material. You also get topic tests, assignments, mock tests and much more. Tools like advanced counseling and mentor program are also there for your smooth transition in CreativEdge as well as into your creative careers. You also have one-on-one doubt clearing sessions as well as performance review of your progress. This is not all the regular features which are there for CreativEdge students are also included in this batch. All the other learning tools required for preparation are also there in this batch. You get e-study material along with topic tests, assignments and mock tests. You get a chance to participate in very informative workshops and webinars. Programs like mentor program and advanced counseling are there for a smooth journey in CreativEdge as well as into your creative careers. You also get daily current affairs and weekly current affairs to keep you updated with the world today. So in all, this is an exhaustive program covering all aspects of preparation for creative entrance examination.